Starting again, we get into day 2 with this one. Oh my god. Ignore the little kids in the background of my video. We're moving back with this one. I'm running around the field. I'm running. I'm running. Perfect spot. We getting a day 2 with this one now. Full video. That's right, full video. Wow, bro, this is crazy. Lila, wanna be in the video? Come here. You better come in real quick. Lila, they can't even see you. Go by the fireworks. They'll see you.
Oh my god.
That's Lila right there. They can't see you. You're basically just a black figure. Here, you can sit next to me. There's a really good view.
Oh my god, there is.
Best view. She's right next to me, Mom. Ugh. The end is gonna be crazy, though. This is full video, guys. You can only watch a little bit. Well, you can watch the whole thing if you want. But if you want, the ending is crazy, so stick around for that. If you guys are still watching, click the like, subscribe button. Remember to do that. After this, I might do a basketball video. Oh, hold on. We're gonna have to scan up for this one. I can barely see. We're going over here. Oh, here we go. This is insane. Happy 20th of July, everyone. Our house. Oh, we got little ones now. Lifting the camera up. You guys can see every. The little ones are down there. And we got the big ones up top. Here comes one. Bringing you down. We're almost at 80 subscribers, so I just need one more, so subscribe, but I'm gonna kneel down. There's people behind me that want to see the show. Oh, we got one. I'm just enjoying the sound. Whoa! I think this is the finale. I think this one's the finale. No, it's not. Oh, it's not. Good, because I can't have a... You guys will know the ending, because it's going to be like... brrrr. I saw an owl in one of the trees. I'm checking just to see. You guys enjoy. Oh wow. Very loud. Is that it? No, there's more? I gotta stand up for you. There's like little flares. Anthony, lift me up.
See him?
Lift me up.
Lift you up? What am I, a
Ladder?
Holy. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ah. Wow. Alright, you can put me down. Those ones were just hard to see. Double. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Whoa. Oh, here it comes. Finale. Oh my. Lila, finale. What the heck? Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
My god.
My heart. Oh.
Did you hear that?
Oh my god. Wow. That was so good. Alright, that was it. Subscribe.